Today's unboxing will be announcing the beginning of the giveaway for the life-size Gundam Unicorn guidebook. Please stay tuned to the end of this video. I will be giving information on what's involved and how to enter for a chance to win this book. This unboxing is for the Mega Size Unicorn in Destroy mode. This is the Gundam Base Limited LED version, the LED being in the head only. As usual for Bandai, it's got the nice illustrations on the front cover. On this side here, shows you the different poses you can accomplish with these kits. With my previous experiences with these mega sizes, you can't really pose too much with them. They are basically just for ornamental purposes. On this side here, it's got the bust and a nice touch in the background with the picture of Diver City Plaza. And on this side here, it's got some information about Gundam Base, some more illustrations, and of course the recommended retail price in yen at the bottom there of 11,000, so say $110. Okay, this bag consists of 2 runners. Tell the size of this model by the size of the shield. It's got to be quite a big one. Got the leg pieces here also and a bit of the waist. 2 pieces here. Looks like a bit of the backpack. The bag also consists of 2 runners. Looks like leg pieces. Two runners in this one also, more of the leg piece, basically all the armour. This bag consists of 2 runners of polycaps. This bag here we got the LED. We've got 2 runners, some inner frame, and the beam rifle. This bag here, we've got the beam sabers, got the multicolor runner, it's got the V fin, it's got also some C3 green. One thing probably don't like about this V fin, one side should be white, so I'll probably be painting that. Then we got the effect parts for the destroy mode. Inner frame parts and thruster pieces. Some nice blue pieces, looks like a backpack, and some of the foot pieces. This bag here, we've got 2 runners, one of them being some shield parts, and then you've got also some more effect parts there also. Some more inner frame, and the other foot piece. We've got some, looks like some joint removal tools, separators should I say. And it looks like some Pics. And here we've got the 4 stickers One thing I do like, they do supply with 2 battery and a screw, and you got your sticker sheet. Unfortunately, they are just standard stickers. Here we've got a bit of a guide. Just tells you basically the sticker locations and some information on how to put it together. And here we've got the actual guide. It's nice. Now, this kit does say that you don't need tools. Don't trust that. Please use nippers. As like all other kits, be cautious. It'll still leave nub marks. Got your runner breakdown, as usual. Your assembly. It's quite nice also, they've got a bit of colour coded, so it's not just black and white. Just to the back, gives you some tips on how to panel line and apply the stickers, and the decal transfer sheet at the back. Alright, now back to the giveaway. The way this one's going to work, I'm going to leave my email address at the bottom in the descriptions. If you guys can send me pictures of your unicorns, and I'm going to generate a program that will pick the top 10, and those top 10 I'll be putting in my Facebook account, and my members will vote and pick the winner. And you can also log in, subscribe to my Facebook account, and you can vote also for yourself or keep track or see if you made it to the top 10. If you've got any other queries or any other videos you'd like to see, please leave a note down below. I will try and get back to everyone. If there's any other kits you'd like to see an unboxing of, feel free to mention that as well. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down, no problems. Please hit that subscribe button for future videos coming up, as well as the winners will be announced for the book, and also for upcoming giveaways. I do have another giveaway coming up shortly, so please hit that subscribe and you'll get notifications for that other one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.